Kotak Bank has launched a new way of transforming the banking sector whereby they plan to double their entire customer base which they have created so long in the next 18 months. With me now is Mr. Uday Kotak, needs no introduction. So if you could just tell us what this new transformation method is and how will you grow so fast which you've not been able to do as of now?
We have just launched 811, which is inspired by the Day India Change, which is 8th November 2016. We see this as the new India digital journey, and therefore we have announced 811 as the way forward. We think this is transformative because this is, you can open an account within 5 minutes on mobile only, based on your Aadhaar and your PAN only. And there is zero balance, no charges for digital transactions, and we continue to give our current savings accounts rates up to 6% for all customers, depending on which band they are in. And we think this is transformative. This is a way, this is what I would call as the WhatsApp moment in Indian banking.
Can it be disruptive in nature? And clearly, as you are saying that, you're not going to take any charges at least initially, or you don't have plans right now. Can it be disruptive in the near term?
In our view, and I remember Schumpeter, who has said over many years ago of creative destruction. Banks and financial services must have the courage of being able to cannibalize on what they are doing. And this is our initiative in favor of the customer to transform Indian banking.
So do you think that this is a different model itself? So first you will try to gain size, then you will see the number of transactions and then look to, charge or not charge based on the customer needs?
We will see how it goes, but at this stage, the most important thing for us is to grow customers and have very satisfied customers. And customers have the ability to seamlessly operate both in the digital and the real world and without any constraints. Because for most of the other platforms, there is a constraint of either physical world or the wallet world or the online world. This is completely seamless in terms of the customer journey across different platforms.
As far as branch expansion is concerned, till now growth in India majorly has come in from branch expansion. Is this the first step towards saying that we want to grow the digital way first and branches be very rationalized?
We think the future is about customers and which is the best way to acquire and manage customers. Branch will become more and more service points. We are not reducing branches. We will continue to open branches in a measured manner. But the whole lens through which we will look at expansion is what works for the customer, whether it's physical or digital world.
Right, so let's just talk about NPA in the system as well. A lot has been spoken about. Governments is meeting regularly, trying to do a solution. You think that's the only thing remaining for a big capex or for a big growth? Once we have a solution to that, it could lead to good growth?
I think the time is now for finding solutions to stress in the Indian banking system. And we think this is the time to really clean up. That will require significant strategic capital and even more importantly, strategic management. We consider this as a significant opportunity into our future.
Right. As far as ARC companies are concerned, the size at which they operate right now, don't you think that they cannot absorb everything? So some innovative solutions are needed?
I think today the issue with reference to ARCs is that the current guidelines allow the seller of a loan to buy 85% of the same loan. We are moving away from this. New guidelines from RBI are coming effective April 1. And therefore, much better capitalized platforms are the key for the future.
Right. Just a last word as far as banking assets are concerned. Do you think band formation or whatever the government comes up with, do you think after that we can only see a corporate loan growth pick up?
No, I don't think it's after that. We are already seeing signs of the economy picking up and we are feeling positive about it. But cleaning up the financial system will certainly help in spurring further growth.
Thank you so much, sir, for taking out time for us. Always a pleasure.
Thank you.